Test, test. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right, so where were we? I want some music. I've really been into Deadmau5 recently. Deadmau5 live set. All right. Let's see. So I was doing a major refactor here, which has simplified a lot of stuff. That's chugging. No, I'm getting a new computer tomorrow. Gotta love Apple Silicon. Let's see. Some Ronald Jankeys. All right, r.nodes. Not defined, because I got rid of them. All right. So I got rid of these nodes because I think I want to like pass them in. Generate. It's called from generate.go. So this should have all of the nodes. And I want specifically the something nodes. There's so much front end stuff that's just not going to work after these changes, but that's okay. project dot node lookup, and we iterate over all of them. Oh, okay, so we know resource nodes, so we can collect all the nodes that are related to this. And then range R, nope, project, workflow, dot node lookup, sure. N is our node, and then resource nodes, and we'll say if n dot resource ID is equal to r dot ID, r dot, why does our resource not have, should have an ID. Beast resource should have ID. And base resource should just have ID. R dot ID. Lowercase ID. And then base resource is base resource is r dot ID is r dot ID. Cool. So now that should be available to us when we want this, r dot ID. So if that's true, then we are going to, yep, you got it. Good job. So now when we generate, we're going to pass in the nodes that are relevant to our resource. Let's just refactor this. Okay, I want a better key binding for refactoring. Rename. Can I have this, like, do I have this key? Oh shit, I have that bound to something? That's why, whoa. I can't believe I haven't been using that. That's so nice. I just have it like as a go-to. Okay. It's cool, I guess. Okay, we'll call this nodes. Nodes, let's go. Nodes. Nodes. And then this is an array of node.node. Oops. We actually know the type of these nodes too. Whoops. Okay, I guess we'll just pass it through. We've done enough good code. We'll just kind of bullshit a little bit. Oh, come on. And nodes. Yeah, there you go. So now that, what errors do we have? Nodes. I did not type that correctly. Should be no more errors. Got one more error. Oh. Okay. I don't think I'm using a language manager right now. I'm gonna want to soon anyway. Fuck it. Yeah, what other errors do we got? It's time to address the front end being completely broken now. Assuming this builds. The first place I'm gonna want to look is the blocks list. I know that's gonna be broken. Should be. Yeah, there you go. Because I got rid of blocks. I'm not saying blocks belong on a resource anymore. I'm saying blocks come in next to a resource. So if we look at our projects and we take a look at, oh, cool. I already did this. So yes, an enumerated resource. So that's what this type is, right? And then, oh, no, it's a resource. Oh, this is. Yeah, we're going to say we want enumerated resource. So we're looking at load resources. Thank you. Set resources, enumerated resource. Cool. So now that's a problem down there. Nope, that solves. So now these should be enumerated resources. So I'm going to say r dot resource ID, r dot if r dot resource, then return null. Cool. R dot resource. Oh, okay. And then this is r dot nodes. So I decided to get rid of the name, like the blocks, because I was calling everything blocks, and I think blocks is a term that I like. But at least for the short term, I think it's going to be a lot easier to just like call everything nodes. You might have like some overlap of terminology since you have like a node on a graph versus a node that's coming from resource, but it's like close enough that I think it makes more sense, and it all kind of worked in the code removing like all the mentions of block, so. Right, okay, so, and also no more resource IDs, it's just no more resource ID. Sick. Nope. Oh. We need proto node. RPC. And node comes from graph. And this is node as proto node. Sick. No more error there. That's no longer resource IDs. And that should be r.id. Nodes.config. Oh. r.resource dot type. r.resource, I've already checked. Okay. Res, and res. Engagement in progress. We love TypeScript. I feel like TypeScript is the reason why I have to get the Mac, the bigger, better Mac. Because it's literally just on stream, and it's literally just when I have like TypeScript open do I like notice any chug on my computer. And there's actually one, the gRPC block editor. It just like it like actually causes my computer to take off when I open like the gRPC block editor. It says like I forget the specific error, but it's like type assertion is like impossible to actually resolve. So I don't know what the fuck that means. It's like the type system running a loop on this loop. Oh. Oh, it's annoying. That node, not the globally namespace node. Thank you. Load. Please. Oh God. Oh my God. Yes, thank you for taking off. I just want to see. Show me resource. RPC resource. And I want to see value for the language service because I want to know runtime. So the default block or default function config. Make it more dense. What do you mean more dense? There's compact mode. Like literally if you open up new UI, appearance and behavior, new UI, compact mode. There you go. Yeah, I like the low information though. It helps me stay focused. I like that padding. Yeah, I didn't like that. Res.type.value low code, low padding, high margin. True web scale. True 10x engineer. They said it wasn't possible, but he made it possible. He's the hill climber. New setting. Default function config takes res.type.value.runtime. There we go. No errors, thank you. Please load page. Oh, okay. Get projects. Question is, can I run it? Run workflow, resource not found. Connect error, resource not found. And there's like nothing to go with that. Oops. Resource not found. I see. Because that's empty. So question is, why is resource empty? Time to get to the bottom of it. Very slowly. Okay, so I'm gonna add get projects, and I would expect that to have a resource ID. So resources, we have JavaScript, which is a language service. That's expected. Nodes, our second one here, gRPC. I don't see a resource ID. So, and I think I know exactly why that is, because we've changed something. Also, why the fuck did I do this? That's just the node type. This just accepts node, which is a node. Why did I reinvent the wheel there? It doesn't make any sense. Okay. Also, I don't understand this nonsense. Yeah, this should just have node. This should just be node. node, nond node. But that's going to be a problem because that's a React Flow node. I want proto node. That's proto node. Node.config. Node.case. Case. No, you don't need that. Data is just node. Oh, you do need type. Because that has this. I mean, the type is probably avoidable though. Because we can dynamically. I thought I was using hardware. Stream. I want video. Maybe. That's possible. I'll have to check later. Oh, output. Oh, wait. Oh, video encoder. I think it is software. All right. Well, let's see. We're going to have to stop it.